Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're here to talk today a little bit about taking notes and note-taking. This is something you can do while you're reading a book or studying or when your teacher's talking. And what the reason is for taking notes is so that you can remember later and study less. I mean, who doesn't want to study less? More time for you. But the important thing is, while that person is talking or you're reading, you need to be doing something. Now, the average person can talk 4 or 5 times faster than you can write down. So if you're trying to write down everything they're saying, you're going to miss things, you're going to miss details, and really, it's not going to be that effective. What you want to do is delete some information or condense it or use some abbreviation or shorthand. But you, over time, will start to realize what the important parts are. Now, the reason for taking notes really is not only is it going to help you study later on and make that job easier, but it's going to help you to think. And when you do that, you'll understand more. Now, there's information that is important and that you should try to keep when that person's taking notes. Dates, names, terms, definitions. If the teacher says something and stresses it or says it several times or writes it down on the board, that's something you should be writing down as notes. There are several different methods or styles for taking notes, and we'll take a look at those right now. Certainly there's the old classic outline. I mean, I've used this one since I was in middle school, and that's decades ago. Some kids that work better with pictures might do some mind mapping, and here are some examples of what they look like. You go from the basic to like the super way advanced, and I can't draw, so mine would be more of the basic type. This year, one method I'm going to work on teaching you is the Cornell system of notes, developed, yes, that's right, at Cornell University in New York State. Very prestigious in case you haven't heard about it. And what it does is it not only forces you to use that outline system, but it gives you a space to add meaning to that. And when you go back and review, to change your notes. And that is an important thing. When you're reviewing your notes, when you're using those notes for studying, to do something with them. Draw some pictures, write some information. Write a question if you don't understand so you'll remember to ask your teacher later on. But that is something that's important to do, and that I'll teach you how to use using the Cornell system. So I hope that helps you out, ladies and gentlemen, that you'll become better note takers. And as always, if you need help, hey, send me a Wits mail. I'm here. See you soon.